guys, hey, it's me. As you just saw probably, I for Christmas just opened a Nerf gun, and on the back of the box it says there's attachments for it. It's I don't know if you can see. Does it say a Nerf gun? It's got backwards, but Nerf gun. And I've got 3 attachments for it. This one, this here, goes in the front. I think anyway. It doesn't say. This, which I found in my park in my estate. I thought it was a gun, but it's an attachment, obviously. And this goes right in the back here and extends it so it's ginormous. Look at that. So yeah, this is that. Would you be intimidated if I done this to you? And also I have this. Just an ammo stock. This goes right here and just I don't. It did come with 4 bullets, but I only have 3. Don't know why, but I lost the 4th. Don't know how even. I don't know why I don't make videos that much. What I really want for my birthday in 9 days. So yeah, that'll be good fun. Yeah, this is what I end up looking like. I have to go around here to show it all big. The way it opens, I put this in. You pull this back here at the front, put it out, shove that in there like this. And then that went over my eyebrows. If you're wondering, I'm watching Alan and Chipmunks. Just as a background thing. This here, you can put a scope on it, which would be nice, so you can just aim and stuff. Aim. You can add, there's another one of these, Proper ammo stocks here, another one of these, and another one of these. Ammo stock you can change, or you can put a stand in it. Yeah, you can change a lot. That really annoys me. Look. The gun here, that is a different gun to what I have. So you can have stand, one of these, and this. To make it really big. Fun! Oh, I'm not smart now. It's been a little while wearing this. Because this is just normal Ethan. Lula. Can you see it? Lula. Can you see it? Yeah. Oh. Okay. What's my knuckle stash? No. I might have to turn this off. People coming downstairs. Right.